you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Hi guys, it's Friday and we're going to go out for a drink with our boss. We're going go-karting, so I'm going to show you all of that once we get there.
I know. I'm going to reply to it.
Look at all these people. They're all my colleagues. Jamie, say hi.
Okay guys, please make your order.
That's my boss there. That's Frankie there. They're in a JDM Coke. So we're in the pub. I have my drink. I'm not doing your boss. Hi, Israel.
Hi.
How are you liking your first time out?
Not first time, but I don't drink.
She's not drinking. She's drinking Coke. They're leaving the pub. Say, Jamie, say hi to the vlog, Sammy.
Hello.
We're going to go karting. I don't know what it is. I've been go-karting before, but I'm gonna see what happens tonight. Oh yeah. I hope whatever you're doing, you're having a good day. Okay, so we're in Canary Wharf, guys. And we're going go-karting. Waiting for the team. At Canary Wharf station. We're going go-karting. It's been a long time since I've been over here. All the big buildings are over here. My phone's so funny. You can tell.
Oh man, competitor. Usually competitors.
I am walking. Why everybody gone? We are walking in the park. It's really beautiful in the park. This is Jubilee Park, and this is Canary Wharf. Isn't it lovely? I don't think I've ever been on this side of Canary Wharf before. But it's nice. And the bench all lit up. Isn't that pretty? And you have the white picket fence over there, girlies. Yeah, this is lovely. Yeah. Wow. Very nice. Guys, look at this sculpture. Very nice, right? It's cute. I just love the benches. They're all lit up. They're beautiful. And then you have the water fountains there. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. Let me show you a little bit better picture. I don't think I've ever been this far in Canary Wharf before, you know. I don't think I have. But I just like it. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Guys, the weather is not weathering at the moment. It's not weathering at the moment, but it's just lovely. It's quite dark. Look at the weather right now. So, yeah. So we're going go-karting with the team. Oh, look at this little car. A coffee van. So yeah. I don't know where we're going. Everybody's gone. I don't know. Yeah, so this is what we're doing this evening. It's Friday. And there's a little puppy. It's so cute. So I think we're going go-karting right now. Look at the little doggies there. And look, Canary Wharf in lights. Ah! Dear Lord. I mean, the whole place is foggy. Even the phone is foggy. So we're going to the shopping centre. As I said, never been this far before. And as you can see, the time is after 4. And we're going shop and dine. Looking forward to it. Some nice little restaurants over there. Yeah, should be amazing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna clock off for a minute. So right now we're in the shopping center. My boss is in front of us, and I'm walking behind them. They don't want to be on camera for long, but that's okay. Yeah. So we're in Canary Wharf Shopping Center. Never been here before. Oh, thank you. So I'm looking forward to it. I've been in the shopping center before. That's the furthest I've been. The weather is really bad today. Cute little sculpture. Sorry guys, the other team members, they've left us. They've left us. So right now, we are waiting to be found. Pray for us. We're going go-karting, guys. Today we're at the go-karting. Welcome to the go-karting. Oh, easier day. Hi, Dad. So we're doing this today. I'm excited. Do now. We're going to go karting. I don't remember how to go kart, but we're going. That is it. Ready? My mate.
I had to hide.
Yeah, we are going racing. So we're going to get our helmets.
Are we in school?
Hi guys, we're at go-karting. We're going to go racing right now. Okay, Buster. How about the
Nick, what are you classes? What classes? What classes?
Plants outside the school. Hey, Cosme! What?
And the winner, who thinks they won?
Me? Yeah! Ah! Woo, 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 woo! Where's the champagne? Oh.